to share my morning routine with you. I've had some people ask how I do my makeup and what I use and things like that. So here we go. This is me. I just towel dried my hair. The first thing that I start out with, I just kind of push my hair back. So my Skin Revitalizing Essence. Okay, I just pat my face down with that. This feels so darn good. And what this does is it helps the other products that I'm going to use on my face soak into my skin and work the best of their ability, okay? So that's the first thing I do. The second thing I do is I put the C Radiance on my face, which is just one squirt. It's like putting vitamin C on your face, obviously. So I just rub this everywhere. And it feels so good. You guys, so it's been over a year that I've been using this all of this face care, and it's unbelievable. I used to just wash my face with soap. Okay, this, you guys, it's actually like a vegan retinol. Oh my goodness. So if you have, age spots, or if you have any red spots that you do not like, which I had a huge one on my nose, this used to be bright red. It's still a little dull pink there. And this is just new, and I've seen a huge change in that just in the few times that I have used it. So anyway, that feels really good. After using this about 4 times, your skin will feel like the best it's ever felt. So love that. Then after that, I love the Rewind. This will help with wrinkles. And obviously my hands were washed before I start putting all this on. I always love to rub it down on my neck. Okay, and then after that, I just kind of use my hand and I dry. Just kind of do this. And then this is the Eye Smooth, okay? Just barely with the ring finger, and I pat it. Then I pat it up above here. This helps with puffiness, helps with crow's feet over here. I love the way it makes my eyes look. It's helped with that for sure. Okay, and then after that, I just stick my hand in it like that. This is a moisturizer. Right now, I am using the Night Haven, which usually put this one on at night. But with the weather being a little dry, I'm using it. It's a little bit stronger. It's a little bit creamier. So I'm using that today. I usually use Be Balance, and it just feels so much better. Okay, so then after that, I use my sunscreen, okay? Just barely one little squirt. I just add that over so we're protected from the sun, especially if there's snow out there. That sun hits that snow and it can kind of be worse sometimes. You ever had a snow burn instead of a sunburn? I sure have. Okay, so then I just hold it like this with my hand. I just kind of dry my face. And then as soon as that's dried, that's when I start my makeup routine. Okay, I use Time Wise. This is from Mary Kay. I just squirt it up here. Some people like to use a sponge. I just like to use my fingers. I always go in an upward motion and I circle around. A little bit more, come through here. I hope your day is going great, you guys. I just thought, where I've had a lot of people ask about this, I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna do a video on everything, after I get out of the shower to when I'm finished. So after we do the makeup, I will do my hair also and let you guys see what I do there too. Okay, so after I feel like that is rubbed in, just make sure it's rubbed in everywhere. Perfect. Then I use a big powder brush, okay? And this powder I just do it this way. This is from Mary Kay too. I use the Ivory 2 color. So I just put it into the lid. Okay, and then I just pat it on. This is a loose powder. Okay. Just push my hair away. Get the forehead up by the eyes. Okay, now the next step I do is my cheeks. I just use CoverGirl. This is Brick Rose, or Bricky Rose. Nope, Brick Rose. See, I need glasses too. Okay, and then I just go back and forth this way, and I do my cheeks. And you guys, I am not no pro at makeup. This is just what I do every morning. So I'm, like I said, it's just me throwing this on, so. Okay, and then after I do that, I come down, put this on my lips. It's hard to see in this phone to put this on. So hopefully it's going on straight. I have depending on what I'm wearing, I have a ton of different lipsticks. I usually buy them all from Unique. This is Sleek. This is maybe I got that on right. This is a lip stain. Like I say, sometimes I use lipstick. It doesn't, depends on what I'm wearing. But that's what I use for my lips. Okay, now I use a brush like this for my eyes. Now this is what I do next. I have palettes for my eyes that I do. There's this one and this one. And of course, I'm gonna do this dark green because I have green on. And what I do is I get it wet. I have just a little thing of water. So I dip it in the water and then I stick it in here, which is obviously the green. I just go back and forth. And I come here and I come back and forth. You guys, hopefully you guys can see it and I can put it on decent because I'm used to just standing in a big mirror, not a little phone. But hey, it's all good. We'll go with it. Okay, then I rinse it again and then I stick it in there, go around. And like I say, it just depends. I just go in the crease of my eye here. Then I just go back and forth. So this is a baked eyeshadow. And that's how, when getting it wet, that's how I apply it. You can kind of see it's a little bit wet. And then I just take a towel and obviously kind of dry it off. Then I come back in here to just kind of blend it. Then I wipe it again, just kind of blend it. So I don't have a big line, just so it's more blended up through the top. Okay. Sorry, I'm kind of looking in a mirror behind me. Okay, but I just kind of go back and forth. Okay, until that. Okay, all right, that should be blended enough. Okay, now the lasting line, I love this. It's from Bare Minerals. I've had my eyeliner tattooed on. It's been a long time, like, oh goodness, 19 years ago. So I have a little bit left right there. But what I do is I just come through here and I just go through on my corners. Okay, awesome. And then I have my 4D mascara. This is from Unique. And I think what I'll do is just hold this to the side so I can see. Okay, and then I'm just gonna come back and forth. That's how I put my mascara on the bottom. I kind of come back and forth, and then I kind of go down with it. Okay, back and forth and down. Like I say, I'm not a pro, but this is how I get ready in the morning, just so you can see. Okay, and then back and forth again. Sometimes I kind of go up on it and then down. Okay, so after I get a little bit on each, then I'll go back one more time. After it dries a little bit on the one eye, just go down again. Okay, and last time here on the bottom. Okay, good enough, right, ladies? Okay, now, this is what makes a face, I feel like, is painting on my eyebrows. Okay, I'm just gonna get, this is an angled brush. Can you see how it has a little angle on it? And then I need to tell you this. This is from Anastasia. This is dark brown. There's the two colors, okay? So I just kind of mix both of the colors, and then I come in here, and I go up and down, and then I just start coloring these in. My eyebrows, I'm sure a lot of you, excuse me, out there have eyebrows that have lightened, right? Or we lose more of our eyebrows. Yeah, I hear you on that one. That's what's happening to mine. I need to use my eye wonder and start putting that on my eyebrows so they'll grow in. Definitely, definitely. Just because they're getting a little sparse and a little light. Not that the eye wonder can change the color, but it definitely can help grow those hairs. So I need to start putting that into my daily routine. Okay, well, there it is, you guys. And yes, I do have a tired face. We stayed up really late last night, but hey, it was super fun, so it works. But that's how I put on my makeup. I just throw it on each day. It's just how it is. So now for my hair, I shake this. This is the root lifter. You guys can see I have very fine hair. And so this makes it look full when I am done. So after I spray that in, I put 1 squirt of the mousse, put that through the hair. And then of course I love the thickening spray, especially for my fine, thin hair. Okay, so now I'm just gonna dry it. Of course I have my Epic wet brush. Okay, I go down on the back of my hair. Just dry it down. And I get my hair cut in a couple of days, so it's pretty darn long right now. And I go down this way, and then I go back and forth. This will help it give it volume. Okay. And then the blow dryer that I'm using is a Babyliss Pro. You guys, they are absolutely amazing. Whoop, there we go. Babyliss Pro, the Nano Titanium. It's amazing. They last forever. Then GHD flat iron, love that. I just come through here and pull my hair straight out and straighten it just so it has a little bit of That's how I get the kind of spiky, messy look, is I just straighten it straight out from my head. And some people say, well, mine doesn't stay up as much. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. It could be your flat iron. It could be that it's not heating up enough. I mean, you want to be careful with your heat, right? But sometimes it could be that it's not getting it warm enough, okay? So then I take my oil. I do 3 little squirts. I do the light because I have fine, thin hair. If you have thicker hair, you can just use the regular oil. You guys, this oil is used for so many different things. There's over 100 uses. It can be for sunburns. It can be your face stuff to help with moisture. It can be scalp treatments, oil treatments, all of that. And of course, the finished look gives it some shine, and it will suck into your hair. It's not going to leave it like oily and heavy and stuff like that. So, and then of course I have my pin comb. In fact, I'm going to use my black one. I have a pink and a black one. I like my black one. You know when you get used to something and you love it? Oh gosh, I almost missed my favorite part. You guys, I'm sorry. The clay. This is what helps it stay in its spot and piece out without being sticky. I just take a little fingertip, rub it good in my hands to where it's white. You obviously can't see it in your hair. Okay, and then I come through and I piece this out. Just kind of grab at my hair. Yeah, usually, I mean, I'm obviously explaining things to you guys and showing you, but usually I'm ready in like 10 minutes from start to finish. You know, makeup, hair, it's just so easy. I love it. Okay, so now I have, you know, I put this in to piece it out. Now I'm going to go back in with my pin comb and back comb it. Now when you back comb, go in, down, and out. Don't go straight up and down, okay? That's going to take the back combing out of your hair. Okay, so I always like to spray underneath my back combing so it stays. Okay, then I just kind of put this into place. Okay, now this spray, this hairspray, amazing. If you like a little bit more hold but not sticky, this is the one you're gonna wanna do. If you have like longer hair, you don't want hardly any hairspray, but you want a little bit of hold, there is the other hairspray that is for just a light regular hold. But I like a little bit more hold, so I'm just gonna spray it a little bit like that. Okay, and then the finishing touch, what I do is I take the Shine Mist, which everybody needs a shine, right? So this is the Glossy Shine Mist, and this smells phenomenal. I wish you guys could smell it through the phone. But okay, I just shake it, and I just spray it on, and then we are set. So that is my routine in the morning with getting ready. So I hope you guys have a phenomenal day. Been fun seeing you. Thanks for your support and jumping on. Have a good day. See ya.